As the festive season approaches, Dubai International Airport is preparing for a surge of over 5.2 million travelers between December 13th and 31st. In response, Dubai police and airport authorities have issued a traffic advisory to manage the expected congestion and ensure a smoother travel experience for all. Drivers heading to the airport are advised to consider alternative routes, especially during peak hours, to alleviate traffic on major roads leading to DXB. This proactive approach not only helps reduce congestion, but also ensures that both locals and tourists enjoy a seamless journey. For passengers, Dubai Airports has outlined several guidelines to streamline the travel process. Travelers are encouraged to check flight statuses in advance, organize their travel documents, and adhere to safety regulations. One of the most effective recommendations is to use the Dubai Metro for airport transfers. With its direct connections to Terminals 1 and 3, the Metro offers a reliable and sustainable alternative to road travel. The smooth handling of such high passenger volumes is crucial for maintaining Dubai's reputation as a global travel hub. Efficient operations at DXB not only benefit local businesses, but also ensure that international travelers experience minimal disruptions. By planning ahead, using public transit, and staying organized, travelers can navigate this busy period with ease. These measures reflect Dubai's commitment to providing a world-class travel experience and underscore the importance of infrastructure in supporting tourism growth. So, whether you're a local resident or a global tourist, embrace these guidelines for a hassle-free journey through Dubai International Airport this festive season.